Tired of letting your agency-assigned WhatsApp number sit idle when it could be a powerhouse for your business? Let's unlock its full potential in just 90 seconds. First, log into your agency account and navigate to the Channels or WhatsApp Numbers section. This is where your connected WhatsApp number resides. Click on it to view its details. Here, you'll see your WhatsApp number's status while make sure it's connected. Explore options like sending a test message to confirm functionality. This page is also where you'll find settings to integrate the number with automation workflows. Next, craft personalized message templates. Head over to the Templates section and create messages for common scenarios welcome greetings, order updates, or support replies. Use variables to personalize them with customer-specific information. Now, let's integrate. Aisensy allows you to connect your WhatsApp number to various marketing campaigns and customer support chatbots. Explore these integrations to automate responses and provide instant assistance. Track your success. Aisensy provides robust analytics, monitor message delivery rates, customer engagement, and overall performance of your WhatsApp number to optimize your communication strategy. By following these simple steps, you'll transform your Aisensy WhatsApp number into a powerful tool for customer support, marketing, and overall business growth. Start maximizing its potential today.